Hello students, question is from operating system memory allocation. Okay, so here some arrays given, okay, and the process number is given. Okay, so s1 this is holding simultaneously, s3, then okay, and in this one there is one more array is given for the process number, this another set which contains process number. Okay, so one contains the index and the process, and one contains only the process. Okay, so this is the condition, right? This is given in the question, and the question is asked which of the following is present in all of the, means which array will store which array is present in all of these three. Okay, is referring all these three. So for that we have to construct a table, that is a by b1, a by b2, a by b3. Okay, so a by b1, you just say in b1 what is there, in b1 p2 is there, so p2 is present in which and all arrays? It's present in s1, right? Then it is present in p2 is in s2 also, p2 is in s3 also, and s4 also, so it is present in all four, s1, s2 and s3. Now we have a by b2, so b2 contains p2 and p4, sorry, here it is p4, right? Yeah, p2 and p4, so p2 and p4 are present in s1 all together, right? So it is present in s2, s1, and then p2 and p4 you check for other, s3, s2, no, it is not present, then s4 it is present, so it contains s1 and s4. Now it is a by b3, in b3 p1, p2, p4, so all these three all together are present only in s1, so this will contain only s1. Fine. So the first question, which of the following is present in all of the a by b1, a by b2, a by b3, so s1 is present in all these three, so for the a answer will be s1. So what is the b question? The b question which are present in a by b1 but not present in a by b2 and a by b3. Okay, s1 and s4 are present in a by b1 also, a by b2 also, and s1 is present in a by b3 also, but not s4. So s2 and s3 is not at all present in a by b2 and a by b3, so s2 comma s3. Fine, so a will be the answer, so answer is a. Thank you.